In view of the recent incidents of gang wars and organized crimes in both North and South Goa districts, and accepting the recommendation of the Goa police, the state government has invoked the National Security Act and notified its enforcement for 3 months. The NSA empowers the police and district magistrates to keep history cheaters and habitual offenders in preventive custody for up to 1 year without trial if the authorities believe that the individual poses a threat to the nation, the state, society, or the public by engaging in crimes, rioting, or creating a public nuisance. The government has also constituted a 3-member advisory board headed by the retired High Court Judge Justice Utkarsh Bakre. Under the NSA, the police and district administration are authorized to detain individuals. However, they must inform the central government about the detention order within 1 week of the arrest. The police are then required to submit a report to the advisory board within 3 weeks of arrest, and the board must determine within 7 weeks whether the detention was justified and should continue. As the NSA has been invoked based on the recommendation of the Goa police, it is expected that individuals posing a threat to the nation or public security may soon be detained under the Act. However, the Goa police must take lessons from the past, as in February 2013, alleged gangster Janito Cardozo was detained under NSA, but his detention was later declared illegal by the High Court for non-compliance of the due procedure. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.